Today, I want to share some tips to help you improve your digital marketing strategy. If you're looking to position yourself better on social media and most importantly, increase your business revenue intelligently, stay tuned until the end because this is for you. First, let's get something important straight. If you're offering a product or service, increasing your sales doesn't always mean selling more. Many entrepreneurs and businesses focus solely on attracting new customers or followers to make more money. But what if, instead of focusing on more sales or followers, you focused on bigger sales? Listen closely, this is where the AOV strategy comes into play. And now you might be wondering, what is AOV? The average order value is the average amount of money each customer spends on each purchase. Increasing your AOV is an incredibly effective strategy to boost revenue without relying solely on a constant flow of new customers. In the world of digital marketing, it's not just about attracting traffic. It's about optimizing every interaction to maximize value. That's where AOV strategies become a game changer. Here are 8 proven strategies to increase your AOV. Order bumps. Offer complementary products right before checkout. Installment payments. Make high-value products more accessible by offering payment plans. Free shipping with a minimum purchase. An irresistible incentive for customers to spend more. First purchase coupon. A small reward for new customers that encourage bigger purchases. Free personalization, add value at no extra cost to the customer. Surprise gift, a tactic that creates emotional connection and loyalty. Upselling and cross-selling, recommending higher quality or complementary products to what they already buying. Bundles and packages, combine related products into a irresistible deal. Applying these strategies the right way helps your customers feel like they're making a better purchase while you increase your revenue. Everybody wins. Yeah! Now imagine the potential of each purchase in your physical or online stores. If you applying these strategies intelligently, these tactics not only help you generate more revenue, but also improve your customers' experience. Creating long-term relationships is a better option. Are you ready to see how AOV can transform your results? If you want to learn more about strategies to sell better in the digital world, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications, and share this video with other entrepreneurs like you. See you in the next video where we'll talk about how to connect these strategies with social media campaigns and email marketing.